Hello everyone, good day. My name is Markil G. Holanda. In this video, we will going to discuss stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables. Okay. Accurate stability information can be obtained using various stability diagrams, trim tables, and stress tables available on onboard ships. These tools are essential for evaluating a ship's stability, trim, and structural safety under various loading and operating condition. Ang mao kunong kuan is ang mga gamit kay importante para sa kalig-on sa barko ug sa nagklase-klase nga pagpadagan sa barko. We have three kind of stability: stable, unstable, and neutral. So let's proceed to number 1, stability diagrams. Stability diagrams graphically represent the ship stability parameters, helping evaluate its behavior under specific loading and environmental conditions. You have the key stability diagrams, which is the GZ curve or right arm curve. Plots the right arm against the angle of heel. And the interpretation is a higher peak of curve indicates better stability. The area under the curve up to the angle of vanishing stability indicates the ship's energy to resist the capsizing. Key to parameters to observe. Parameters. Initial GM or the kanang center gravity. Determine the initial stability at small angles. Angle of maximum GZ indicates the ship's optimal stability angle. Angle of vanishing stability, angle where GZ becomes zero, beyond which the ship capsizes. Cross curve stability. Show the GZ values for different angles of heel at various displacement. Ang gamit kay to calculate the right arm for specific loading condition by interplotting between displacement and heel angle. We have a stability diagram. Combine the GZ curves for different drafts, trims of cargo load conditions. Ang gamit kay quickly compare stability for any scenarios or various scenarios. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Trim tables. Trim tables provide data on how weight distribution affect the ship's draft, forward, and aft, and the overall trim. Okay, we have an example. Using trim tables, determine the trim changes. Number 1, use the moment to change the trim by 1 cm or MCT 1 cm and calculate how moving or adding weight affects the trim. Change in trim equals MCT 1 cm over trim moment. Example, if a weight of tons is shifted 20 meters forward, the trim moment equals weight times the shift distance, which is 50 times 20 equals 100 ton meters. When MCT 1 cm equals 200 ton meters, the change trim 1000 ton meters over 200 equals 1000 divided by 200 equals 5 cm. Use the tables to confirm the draft changes and ensure the ships remains within operational limits. For number 3, it's stress tables. Stress tables show how different loading and ballast conditions affect hull stresses, including bending moment and shear forces. Okay, so may pasabot ato. Ipakita ko no sa stress kung giunsa pagkaapekto sa nagkasaklase nga kondisyon sa pag-load o pagkarga sa ballast sa stress hull. Apil na sad ang mga bending moment sa shear forces. Okay, using stress tables, we have hull bending moment, 2 types, hugging and sagging. Compare the ship's current loading condition against permissible bending moments. Check if the bending moment falls within the safe range indicated in the table. Shear forces. Ensure the total shear force at any section of ship does not exceed structural limits. Balance cargo and ballast to minimize the excessive shear forces. Tools, mga gamit for monitoring. Loading instruments, modern ships use onboard loading computers to provide real-time stress and stable analysis including graphical representations.